You see, Shatawale wo yeah na me kan sem bi o. Ghana no, you see, obi o a bana code no, as all your shatta fan near you. You see, me say me wo AMB. The music industry, if you stand for the truth, your movie will support your cause.
Okay.
The journey now shatter the starting game. Now, idea back na me expect right from the days I want to ban down Samini beef, you know. Now idea na me expecting a consistency.
Okay.
You know, even Obenyan who was Shatawale at the point of dominating Bia or Ghana hono. Omo interview na asem ba bi na no work. Asem na no work na say. Ono no opesu ohun music industry where musicians ni nyina obi be fa so o de wo ko show a on sisiwu. Obenya bi adi na show wura no so e den anya bi adi. A stage where nipa be hu say music no eye a full-time job. Now ko say o ye music and so after 5 years ye hu wa abonten a na kwedi so musician we no de oye nyina want me anya hwe anya den amfrim and that was the course Shatawale was pushing for.
Okay.
Near history only to dra obetinten a social media na oba ontie ensem ni ye no person ogina so edidi atemba ontie the logic na ewo mu no.
Okay.
Sound clash no mo ye you know. Asase radio ohun se Shatawale wo influence.
Okay.
And ono asase radio no so ono ope market.
Okay.
Because by the competition go Joy FM, City FM, and other stations, no, they are all there.
Yes.
Oh, no person ohun baby a obetimi ayeden enya market afri. Ena oye ze Shatawale enya soundtrack nya den emo.
Yeah.
Enjo mo soundtrack ra Shatawale na ye. Ena sa de na Shatta ye no sika oje nya sika ketua.
Yeah.
But then almost that ase. Ena mo say no, even after the soundtrack no, nipa no you say nyom no e go far. Ono a de the platforms e promote here. DMDM ne be san to me atap awura ho.
Okay.
Timitiri so omo de Shatawale no kura di nkomo. Ena Shatta ne ye say modi baby ba. They say many Stone Boy say over the years issues e koswa deep beef pa koswa at a point e be ye e tuo twen ne ye nyina. But say there's peace. And after peace no Shatta no Stone Boy ko pay baby o make kasa say obi aba no be business obetimi ni omo atena se on be plan beef no, but this time around it will be a healthy beef. At the end they'll all make something out of it.
Yeah.
Enti what we are Stone Boy after VGM no na onyinya problems.
Okay.
On a Black City benya issue.
Yeah.
On a Kevin Boy benya issue. Emuwa na sa akodi so nsensem ne yede e bae. But they are not Ghana for we finish ka Shatta ni di pa boni ni a anka ho no so betima tua Stone Boy ka. But Shatta no wo hu no say adwuma no omo ye no it is about money. And a Stone Boy also has value. Value na ono Shatta wo no. Stone Boy so to me build this value na eden. Afa no ho obo bimination na social media so obo bimination na omo so ye whole ye kese. Enti DNS wo ye so otumi atwi Stone Boy ne ba. Na omo ni asase radio ne tena se na omo plan ne ade no. Enti ade e course wo abontini nyina ya planting from A to Z. Oh, technical eye, omo plan ne ade no, it was properly planned, well organized. Emma asase radio benefit Shatawale ni Stone Boy me kasika omo different ade ni mu akire wa anye sika ketua. We voting na ye no. Voting ne keke no kan sika asase radio nya free ma anye sika ketua. At the end cry ye ko hwe ade no omo se just o ye den o ko register. O ti outside sika obetua no 6 times obi o te Ghana ni sika o tua anye sika ketua. Minyina asase radio no e won so ma say sika by the end they also benefited. And almost planning at the end in such a way so fans no so benya bibia e den afrim. One ade no. And at the end no asase radio so eyi na ye no say sa week ni munya be pem sa men na FM station kese ya na ye boni din wa Accra na e asase radio.
Yeah.
One ade no where beef no how it started. Perform 40 tracks. 40 no so ye catch almost say e mama me na say mo be ya ade strict bia Ghana nearby bia na penifo mo tifie no be hu is very strange.
Yeah.
Perform your hit songs. And do things about why is it that they went to the stage and they didn't perform strict dancehall songs? Because Shatta was strict dancehall songs but they were looking at the business value. To omo wie na omo say no, the fans were calling for this no. Omo say jina so ayenyoma ba. Stone Boy blazed them about. Strict lyrical job. Shatta so the mienu aba. And also a straight lyrical job. Program the course no. Musicians in mienu no, I give them thumbs up. Because the way music performing at the acting is no. Obeso say acting the next day no mienu ko tenance ya no mu didi. Enti se yeso ye ba na ye betrechire na kwabna ni bi a wo kom dew baabi na be di atem and a guy na ye say brother o me no why no problem. One word no. Obi o afa na we cap na kon we dimi na stone boy dey no dey ayo ni na masa what jene wo problem. Omo ade no omo ye no see a healthy of course. O buy so be back way but maturity ni say wa ba online no na also wa show respect. One word no. Shatta no ono time bia oka o se ade a de sika e ba no obehunu wo ho ono obetena se on be plan where the way am through stage omo jab wo mo hu on a normal day Shatta to me and fast stone boy disability nye den en kasantia no ka stone ntwe but who is smarter and say ma hu say behind the scenes no omo di nkomo na wo ye de chale adwuma ne ye no ene adwuma no so de Sikasem no omutua ne ya. After all no, that is what the followers want. Yes. When Stone Boy so jabo Shatta was wrong. And one more year, you ask yourself, why is it say at the end no Shatta didn't wait but left the stage? There's a meaning. Yeah, what is the meaning? O tenchanya over castle Jane said he be no can. But the meaning is said, the meaning is said when you say program the course no. So movie na yes ya bo wa fans ni mo bet me to kwaba okay unim sa enti they understood say omo wo very loyal fans but then adenu so omo ye no omo nya na fans no ubenya bia kam so nya bia kam but then at the end to kwa bia ma enti na say ni nyina plan ni mo no mo wi say Shatta here ofri no it means say indirectly you declare you know you declare we na bi wo baby one one you declare we and ofri ho but ofri ho no be ye news no nya na ode nyom mienu aba no and the way omo kono you see guy no wo yi no si ho say music industry no nipa ensua ya me ka say social media niema musicians na start here life ni nyina ope pioneers omo ye ade ne man team ya start free no ho say musician ono a e boni beat say so boys no mo ye nipa miensa na won atumi set studio ketua bi omo nko producer bi o ma ne nko kilo spirit ni nyina do mo say osuan say o ba game ni mu aba be change ni ma bebre okay to say no it is a lesson to the other musicians. Oh they are tension na won say o make am a big guy be when you sika kakra to a big guy not want to me use your talent no any industry ni mu ya it will get to a point about outmoded so now we need your musicians be Ghana wa o cast one yi 110,000 Ghana cedis says ya won to me there and so on be reni won say busa on say yi Stone Boy ni Shatta scene channel asase radio yes on be ye bi ama other musicians mention 2 musicians it will be difficult for you only one ya only one Rascal Kube Jina stage so o se ni se hwan ya se de ndenti o se bra me brepa akamunima you see episode mo wo ba na me try o say the input na nipa we no mo de agu omo adwuma mu no Shatta and Stone Boy they sort of crafted for themselves wow episode ni Jupiter mu say o be ya we o dey no program no promo yes ye ntu am ko o mo sare ba Facebook no as at the time and e cost no over 17,000 people na no mo we ade no over 17,000 no and no on country kasa won hwe Ghana nyina and omo wie no omo issues na trend up to now that's so trended won ti busa won say musicians ben na wo Ghana wa obetumi nipa ne sisua na onya kakra bi onye se no if now we buy no so plan there because I dey see na here drop way say na me try on say you see and they have more at stake okay Shatta na oka wo hu say Stone Boy obi a guy na very smart ono so sua ade wo hu enti say no the fans no beef no na ma emu ye den but then omo nya in a healthy way wo drop nyum no mo drop no nyum no so e do say omo plan say bibi sa amra no but nyum no so what plan here we say also be prove it okay On drink as a plan now, we are there, market, you bra, and already for any boy, and I'm in trade. There be at that stage, you know, was all to me because young fans, you know, if I saw it, you know, I treat them. Well, to baby, I didn't go through, no. They are now enjoying from what? From their labor. You might day no more, you know, and I'm more enjoying. Well, what have you almost seen change? Why are you? Just as a radio, no, Kobenya, and Kashata Muye, you know. 2 musicians be so no come but then on don't be radio be nya free me go to scam am e bia ma be $100,000 na ra school kumo di oba ya just 7 minutes o say nwan na oh yeah ara we talk we do we don't say we go na akwa ni radio mo bo pem ni yi yeah yira ko si aga wa we abeti ni yi we tira that's about far one but I should tell you when energy guys in the general stage you know so performing back to back back to back and no mad they look very real. That is the hallmark of successful people. And omo ten now omo follow near man omo ye no other musicians na a lesson. And so be sorry no can Satan Stone Boy and asem na wo ten a e I want to say is always about those guys. But the meaning you know they say guys na juma na omo dey to abonten no. Well, men find a sack so at that level. But you see, also craft some kind of a Libyan man who boss level beer. Just all there was a rap industry. Who you be so why not be you? Yes, well, why not boss to be medical level no by oh, the bus senior Becca's one yet, senior Becca's what is respected.
So, we are using maybe I don't know. Maybe we are using freestyle, and I said, if I said, the whole man said,
ah, now you say 40 songs, so, and I said 40, no. That 40, no.
I was saying, I'm for I see how to say.
And it was not just 40 people. Yeah. 40 no jobs out of the basro. Also, baby, Stone Boy drop you know, beat no media. And I Stone Boy, oh, suddenly you know, craft no because you banner of Baba idea no, and you make can yeah, Baba Betty. What are you bringing on board? What makes you different? I know that you buy them, air party, and I'm here come. Good ways at the end of the program, and I need a cassette. Oh, I didn't expect to say come by yellow pure lyrical job no. And on my side, you know, so I dropping you. And I know I'm dropping a sell it. And the platforms almost make it scare free. One what know. And to about social media. Now say Stone Boy be training fee. Cars I am packing over. Shut up be training there. Now what thing China changing China. Only pagin we are here. Good, said you must say one say the way of my no. Say assassin bit must have from you. Say only baby. Boys let's say omo person say freestyle nko a. The mon samra. And no sound so they will charge. Yes. And no sound they will charge because they say no class as radio no I didn't class na be omo demo. Because as radio omo ban life I am ko baby. Yeah. But through Satan Stone mo no. Omo to me aya ma say omo niema na 18. And I give them thumbs up as well as radio for no. Because it's easy say as radio no from nowhere over to me back no to me that mind they say me ko partner boys we nya be bisa. FM stations bebre e was system ni. Good. And the assassin so an example ma other investors. Because I don't know you see yeah na Satan Stone no near man omo ye no. It's not just about them. Omo ye national assets. Once omo ya ghetto boys omo so we training ye no na dey joy ba o. Ade tie omo tie yi because juma ni kuro ni mu enti omo tie no omo discuss say yi na e de ni die ba areho kum nipa to omo tie ni saa eno no keket mi mo omo ni die eno nti na saa nkofo ni mienu no so omo followers na for omo ni agro no